Okay, hi.
Hello.
What are your names?
My name is Jeremy Mezoff.
My name is Julie Milani.
And what class is this?
We're in Coach Terrell's third period physics class.
How is this class different than your other classes?
This class is way more interactive than any of my other classes, or frankly any other classes that I've had throughout high school. We do a lot of labs and activities that really help us retain the knowledge better.
Yeah, like the other day we went down to the Fine Arts building and we were shooting catapults and stuff, and it was just so much fun, and while we were learning things it was so nice.
How has this class prepared you for the real world?
This class has taught me a lot about teamwork, working with others, and less like academic but more like social skills that I've learned from this class, such like teamwork and like I said earlier.
Yeah, because he makes us go into groups, which is a little harder sometimes depending on who you're with, but it's really nice because then you get to build up the teamwork and you're not having to do all the work, everyone shares the load.
And what is your favorite part about this class?
My favorite part about the class is probably the how diverse it is, because we just have so many different people in it and we're all such good friends. It's like a family.
Yeah, and like also how we were saying, like we go and we do the activities around the school building. That's really fun because a lot of my other classes we sit down and do work, but we get to walk around and have fun like that.
And how is Coach Terrell's teaching style better or different than your other teachers?
He definitely gets the point across in a much more simple way than all of my other teachers. He will have his PowerPoint, but only give us the key information that we need and not give us a bunch of excess information and expect us to have it memorized for a test the next day. He really understands that we have homework for our other classes. He's a human, you know? He understands us. It's great.
Yeah, and like all of that too, because like he really does get to the point. He doesn't make us like write down a whole bunch of things that we'll never understand. Like he makes sure that we understand, and also how we get to go out and do activities while learning something new, which is really cool.
And how is the class dynamic?
Class dynamic, like we said earlier, is super friendly. Everyone gets along. There's no drama. Everyone's super nice to each other, and we joke with Coach Terrell all the time.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and like we're always changing groups. Like we can't really be in the same group, so that way we get to work with everyone, so no one really feels excluded. And then we have all these different friend groups. We're really diverse, and it's really cool to be in a class like that.
Okay, well thank you so much.
Thank you. 6'5".
What's your name?
Connor Gallagher,
And what are you working on right now?
projectile motion using catapults.
What's projectile motion?
Projectile motion is going up the y-axis and across the x-axis in 2 dimensions.
And how did you build the catapults?
We had 10 popsicle sticks and 10 rubber bands and a bottle cap.
Did they work well?
We got 7 feet 9 inches. The longest, I think, is 20 feet.